How to turn your join off in Roblox. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can turn off your join in Roblox. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. So the first step is of course have the Roblox app. You can get it from your App Store or Play Store. After you have the app, open it up and log in into your account. Now after you've done that, you can head over to the more option that is on the bottom right corner, and now scroll down till you find the settings. After you find the settings, tap on it, and now you'll need to head over to privacy and content maturity. Tap on it and now you're on this page where you will get different options. Now what you'll need to do is you'll need to head over to visibility and private servers. Now tap on visibility and private servers and head over to private servers. So right there you can see that you can just turn your join off. You can see experience with limits on who can join, and yeah, just tap on no one to turn it completely off. Or if you want to just make your friends be able to join, you can tap on friends. It's completely up to you, or you can just tap on no one if you want it completely off. And that is how you can turn your join off in Roblox. Thanks for watching guys. That is basically all for today's video. Stay tuned for more upcoming tutorial videos, and bye bye, take care.